Welcome back. So let's see how we can install, enable, disable, and also remove add-ons. The case study will be CAD Sketcher. So this will be available on Gumroad, as you can see it over here. I already have it downloaded, so I also have it installed over here within Blender 4.4. And we see the add-on toolbar over here. And within Blender 4.3, we see that those will not be enabled. So let's initially enable that. I also have over here an update for Blender Kit. I'm going to click cancel for now. So in order to install the add-on, once you downloaded the zip file, you're going to go to Edit, Preferences, and over here within Get Extension. So within Extension, we're going to see those that will be installed with Blender. So these are predefined, and we just need to install those. And within add-ons, over here, we're going to find additional extensions that can be managed like this using an install file, in this case a zip file. So go over here on the drop down and we're going to have install from disk, and in this case from downloads we're going to see the CAD Sketcher. It's important over here that you're going to select the archive. So in this case this has been extracted, you don't need to do that. So you need to go ahead and scroll all the way to those, and this will be that. And I will click install from disk. And we're going to see that now Blender has installed that. The CAD Sketcher, since this will be alphabetically displayed, will be available over here. And we see that it already has been added. So these new features will be added. If I'm going to press N over here, the CAD Sketcher will also be active over here. Now, if you want to disable it, you can just uncheck this check mark over here. As you can see, that toolbar has disappeared. And also if I'm going to press N over here, we're no longer going to have that CAD Sketcher. The good thing is that this is easy to run, so I can just click on it and it will add that automatically. Also, it's important to know that this will be on individual Blender installs, so if you have multiple versions, you're going to need to come with the add-ons within all of those versions. Now, if you want to disable it, you can just uncheck it as I showed previously. Now, if you want to uninstall an extension, we're going to see that within previous version, directly over here within add-ons, we would have the possibility to remove this. But if I will filter this only to display the CAD Sketcher, I can do it over here on the top using the filter. And if I will scroll down, we're going to see the preference, the solver module will be registered. And over here will be various settings within this plugin, but I don't have the possibility to uninstall this. Now, starting from Blender 4.2, once an add-on has been installed, it will be transferred over here within extension. So we will need to search for get extension over here. I'm going to type in over here CAD, and this will be the CAD Sketcher. And in order to have it uninstalled, I'm going to click on this arrow and we can uninstall it over here. And as soon as we do that, it will no longer be active over here. So if I'm going to search for extensions that will be installed within CAD, I'm going to see that CAD Sketcher is no longer available. And for add-on as well, if I'm going to filter CAD, that will not show anything. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. I will position a similar video on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.